What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Lavish vlog diary. It's your girl TT, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna kind of give you guys a behind the scenes because I did want to go back in and kind of add some things to my streetwear beanies. So I do want to give you guys kind of a little bit of an update on, you know, some corrections or adding some extra things to the beanies. So without further ado, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get straight into this video. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what the beanies look like now, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to correct on them. So as you guys can see, these charms right here, the little leaf charms, I don't really, you know, like the placement of them, so I kind of want to go in and kind of rearrange them and kind of spread them out more. I'm gonna show you guys kind of like on this beanie, but even then on this beanie I need to go in and kind of add some more. So you see how these are a little bit more, you know, spread it out randomly, whereas this one is like in an arch form. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in and actually undo these and kind of rearrange them. I already started on some of the other ones and got those done already. So, and as you can see, my beanie, I had to go in and actually do the same thing. So yeah, that's pretty much I'm doing to them. I might add some extra like gems to them on the back randomly. I just feel like it was missing something. And y'all know my OCD kick in, so your girl had to go in and make a couple corrections and kind of upgrade it just a little bit more. But yeah, this is what one of the leaf charm beanies look like, but this is my personal beanie. Like I said, hold on, let me show you guys. So this is what my beanie looks like, and like I said, the charms are spread out a little bit more at the top and the back. And yeah, I might go in and add some more of these like little rhinestones randomly around the bottom. But yeah, this is what my streetwear beanies look like, and if you guys don't know, they're already available on my website, so make sure you guys go ahead and shop now at www.lavishtreasures.us. and yeah, go ahead and copy you some beanies. Also, I do have my Lavish Treasure hair pin charms as well. They're already on the website. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with these beanies because, you know, we got quite a few to do. All right, y'all, so this is one that I already did. I worked on these yesterday. So yeah, this is the front, and I like how these leaf charms are spread out a little bit more. So that is what I'm trying to accomplish on the other ones. And I did the front and the back. And yeah, I think, like I said, I was going to add some more rhinestones to the anchor charm one. But yeah, this is what the beanie looks like now. So yeah, and this is the one, like I said, that I'm going to go in and correct and spread these out on front and back. And yeah, let's get started because this is going to be a tedious task, and yeah, this is going to take me a minute. So yeah, let's get started. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, this is the little leaf charm, and it comes with these little hooks that I bought separately, and I'm just hooking that so it can dangle. And I'm just gonna find the area that I want to place this charm and hook it underneath. Now this is the most tedious part of doing this entire like setup on my beanies. These could literally take me up to probably an hour and some change, depending on how I feel. So yeah, this is me just hooking, and I rotate the hook so it can just go on the inside, and there it is. Like I said, that charm was right here, so now I gotta fill in this space. I just moved it down. So I also have different color ones. So like there's this like teal one, of course there's a gold one, there's more of a brassy one. So yeah, there are different ones, and then there's a darker one, and I kind of just alternate between the two, which is what I did on this one. As you guys can see, it's different ones. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this because like I said, this is gonna take time. And yeah, I will show y'all the finished product. Alright y'all, so I'm finally back after umpteen hours. My fingers hurt really bad, but it was worth it because we did finish a beanie. I do have one more to go, but I think I'm gonna finish that one off camera, but just because it takes so long to finish. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the completed look. So I have to put y'all in the dark just so y'all can see. This is what the beanie looks like. 10 years later. Like I said, I have a spread and add some extra charms in there to make it a little bit more fuller. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's super shiny and sparkly and colorful, and I just love it. And so yeah, I do have, like I said, one more to do, but just so you guys can kind of see what they are giving, this is what they look like. Super excited, and like I said, they are now available on the website. Again, you guys, make sure you guys go check that out and follow my social media page on Instagram as well. And yeah, this is the completed look. I have one more to do, but yeah, I'm gonna do that one off camera. So yeah, so there you have it, you guys. This was kind of a behind the scenes look at what I do. I hope you all enjoyed today's little mini vlog. Sorry I didn't have much to show, but because I had finished majority of these beanies like a day before, so yeah, I only had like 2 left to do. But yeah, that is it for the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next Lavish doll diary. Until then, peace. Mwah.